very excited because I've never been this trail before. But I'm in the middle of the mountains by a creek surrounded by trees. So I'm very, very excited to be here. It's not a surprise that I hike. I mean, I do it in all my videos, but this one felt special, so I wanted to kind of document it. There is so much trees and wilderness, and I love it. So yeah, I wanted to just kind of document this hike, and I don't know, just have some fun. So hope you guys enjoy it. All right, bye. I don't know if you can hear me because it's kind of loud over here from the creek, but it is so nice up here. My hair was crazy, so ignore that. But it is so nice up here. I mean, look at that. That's insane. I might go get a coffee because I want one. And no other reason. I just want one. You get a chance to go out and like walk around and like, I don't know, take some time to just kind of like let your mind rest. I highly recommend it. That's what I usually do whenever I'm stressed or I'm anxious, or if I just want to like chill out. I just walk and go on like a hike. So that's why I hike, because it just helps me feel at peace. Because this is quite peaceful. That was pretty cool. That's that was actually really cool. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. All right. Alright, update on the waterfall. I think I'm almost there. It's been quite the journey getting to it, but I'm really excited. I can hear it. So I know I'm getting close. We are almost there. And when we see it, I will show you guys. I think it's more this way. So here we go. That is crazy. Whoa. That's wild. Alright, I'm heading back now. That was so cool. I mean, that was insane. Seeing the people like who were like hiking down it or like sliding down it, I was just like so impressed because I could never do that. So I was just like, dang, that's so cool. But the waterfall itself was amazing. Everyone who was there was just like in shock from like how beautiful it is. I'm heading back now. I'm honestly feeling pretty good. Like I don't feel that tired. I feel very well rested, very energized. It's only like 12:30 right now, so start off the day on a good note. So I head back, probably get my coffee, and I have plans to go meet up with a friend for lunch, so I'm excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's just like a small little hiking video I wanted to cut up. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.